I spent 24 hours at the Margaritaville Resort Orlando, located in Kissimmee, Florida, just 30 minutes away from the Orlando International Airport and only minutes from the top theme park attractions. Join me as I explore the resort and share my experience, from the welcome drinks to the premium balcony room, the massive lagoon pool, and more. What all does the Margaritaville Resort have to offer? Let's find out. Welcome to Margaritaville Resort Orlando here in Orlando, Florida. Now I am here for 24 hours before my next cruise. I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of this place and see what's like in 2024. So I chose to stay at this resort because I've been here before and I really enjoyed it. It has a really nice pool as well if you're looking into a resort with nice pool. So let's get started. As you arrive to the resort, you will notice the tropical scenery and an elevated road that will lead you to the main entrance of the hotel. As you step into the lobby, you'll be greeted by a Welcome to Paradise sign. The lobby here gives off a very nice tropical atmosphere, featuring lovely decor and ample seating, along with many of the resort's amenities conveniently located here. Further into the lobby, you'll find the iconic Margaritaville flip-flop statue. The statue is a popular photo spot for guests looking to capture a memorable moment during their stay here at the Margaritaville Resort. Turning right from the statue, you'll find the resort shop and the check-in desk next to the giant blue screen. At check-in, I was offered a complimentary welcome drink, which I really enjoyed. It definitely made for a great first impression, and it's also available for all guests over 21 upon arrival. Next to the check-in desk in the resort shop, you'll find the Fish House restaurant. This restaurant is known for its variety of seafood and tasty desserts, and it also offers live entertainment in the evenings, making a great spot to dine and enjoy the show. Going back to the statue in the lobby, you'll find additional extra seating areas available. Next to the statue, you'll also find two sets of stairs leading down to the bottom level. We'll take these stairs to head outside of the resort and explore the pools this resort has to offer. So one of my favorite parts about this resort is the huge pool that they have. Basically, once you go inside the main pool area, there is sand to make it feel like you're in the beach. They also do have another pool, which is slightly smaller, which is next to the main pool, which I'm going to show you guys next. This is one of the smaller pools in the resort, known for its peacefulness if you want to escape the music and relax. Since I filmed this early in the morning, you won't see anyone here, but it's usually quieter than the larger pool, which I'll show you next. Next to the small pool, you will also find a volleyball area, which I never found anyone using. From here, we'll head over to the massive lagoon style pool, which is divided into two sections. Let's go check it out. The massive lagoon style pool is open from 9 AM to 9 PM, and I would highly recommend not bringing your own pool towels, as they are provided at the pool check-in stand. One of the cool things you'll notice is the sand surrounding the entire pool area, creating a beach-like atmosphere. Even though there are plenty of available chairs in the mornings, it does become quite difficult finding a chair during the afternoon, as the pool area does tend to fill up, especially on a hot summer day. There are also Cabana rental packages you can purchase that come with lounge chairs, a mini fridge, a safe, and a fan. I recommend booking the island seating cabanas well in advance, as they are the most popular, the least expensive, and tend to sell out fairly quickly. Near the pool area, you'll find the Salty Rim Bar and Grill, which opens at 11 o'clock AM. Next to the bar and grill, you'll also find a stage for live performers, which you can usually catch during the afternoon hours, adding for an enjoyable and fun atmosphere. Overall, the vibe here is excellent, and I found the service to be great. It's definitely a great place to relax, eat, drink, and soak up some sun. Just outside the pool area, you will find the Finza Fitness Gym, which is located next to the Cottages, which you can choose to rent if you prefer to not stay in the resort rooms. Across the gym, you will also find the bike rental station, which is available for a fee. Next, we'll go inside and make our way to the room that I booked for my stay. But before we check out the room, we'll pass by the flip-flop statue in the lobby and visit the provision shop, located near the hallway elevators. The provision shop is a fantastic spot to kick off your day with a cup of coffee or to grab a snack or a meal. It features a seating area that provides a delightful view of the stunning lagoon pool, making a perfect spot to relax, sip your coffee, and take in the scenery. Next, we'll take the elevator to the 4th floor to check out the premium pool view room I booked for my stay.
This room is a bit more expensive than the standard balcony rooms as it overlooks the Lagoon pool, which offers some stunning views that I'll show you once we step onto the balcony. But first, let's check out the inside. I found the bathroom to be really modern looking and the shower was very spacious, featuring a rainfall shower head. Inside you will also find your shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner, which smelled really good. I really like the overall design of the bathroom, and the decor perfectly matches its tropical modern vibe. The room has a pleasant island vibe feel with decor that's very tropical. I found the bed to be a bit firm but also very comfortable. There are outlets next to the bed for charging devices and an interactive TV in front that allows you to view your room statement, order room service, and more. To the left of the TV you'll find a coffee maker with the mini fridge underneath. This is the view you can expect when you book the premium pool view balcony room. The balcony is a nice size and comes with 2 Margaritaville branded chairs and a table, perfect for sitting down and enjoying the scenery with a drink. It wasn't long before the occasional afternoon storms rolled in, prompting everyone to leave the pool area, but the views of the pool were still great. It was early morning and I decided to explore the Sunset Walk area, which is conveniently located just a short walk from the Margaritaville Resort.
So in front of the Margaritaville Resort Orlando, you're going to have a variety of restaurants and shops across, including the famous Ford's Garage that you can see here. And I'm going to give you guys a small mini tour of the area.
Sunset Walk is about a 3-minute walk from the main entrance of the resort, and it's a great place to hang out after a long day at the pool. In the evenings, this place is lively, and you may even catch the car show events they have during certain days.
And as you guys could see here, everything's pretty much closed, being that it's very early in the morning at the filming of this video. However, in the nighttime they do have live entertainment and there's people walking, and it's a nice vibe if you do plan on coming here and just relaxing or going out for a nice dinner. So next to the Sunset Walk shopping area will be the H20 Water Park that you can see over there in the distance. That water park is not included with the Margaritaville Resort stay. However, they do sell tickets and it does have different water rides such as wave pools or lazy rivers.
As we return to the resort, a great perk in Margaritaville is the complimentary shuttle service to Orlando's top theme park attractions. Since seats fill up quickly, it's wise to visit the concierge in the lobby to reserve your free shuttle at least a day in advance.
So that is a quick tour of the Margaritaville in 2024. If you guys found this video helpful, useful, or enjoyable, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and it will help the channel out. Until next time, peace out.